Good news, folks. Good news. Sold both those gaming systems we built. The Reboot Battle Royale gaming system sold. And the other system, can't remember what that was called, Bernie. It was one of these, wasn't it? One of these one of these HP ProDesk 400s to family earlier on in the week, that was. Very happy customers. Now, so that's inspired us to build some more. So we've got another two of these. We're basing these on the HP ProDesk 400, which I showed you last week. That's got an Intel i5 4570 in there, 8 gigs of DDR3, no graphics card yet, and power supply is rubbish. So I've got two of those ready to go to build today. Now, I did some eBay bidding a couple of days ago, and I won. I bid on 3 graphics cards, and I won 2. So today we've had a delivery from eBay, and it is not a Radeon R9 290. I bid an R9 270X. So that is what I think is going to be in here. So we're going to do an unboxing. Also, had delivery from Novatech. Bought some power supplies. I bought 3 power supplies, so I'll have a look at those as well. Right, here we go. Oh, I haven't done an unboxing before. So, yes, I bought 2. I won 2 bids. I put I didn't watch the auction. I put my maximum bid. One of them no one bid on because of the delivery charge was £18, which I bid on because I thought that might put a lot of people off, and indeed it did. So we got 2 graphics cards. One's on their way from Scotland. Don't know where this came from. Right. I don't even know if this is a gigabyte because I can't remember. I'll show you on screen the item from eBay. Here we go. Oh, nearly there. Oh. What have we got here then? It is show you close up of this one. It is a Asus Strix GTX 970.
That's for me.
Is it?
That's for my build. Yeah, having that one, guys.
I stole his thunder. Oh no! I have to wait. I have to wait for another video now. Oh, Bernie, here, I have a graphics card. Hang on, let me put it back in this anti-static bag. Oh, we were so excited as well. Cut!